Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Bagan GNHD here, and welcome to a huge video. Guys, today we are doing a huge pack opening. Well, it's not extremely huge, but it is huge. As you can see, I only have 2,619 coins. That is because I've already went and purchased all the packs, and it's added up to be 18 packs. I've used my trading method and I've earned myself over 135,000 coins, guys. And so yeah, if you guys do enjoy this video, please hit that like button. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content, please subscribe for more. Yeah, guys, as you can see, look at all these packs. Enjoy the pack opening, guys. Alright, so here we go for our first pack, and what is EA gonna give us? We're gonna start from the right, left, and middle. Alright, 74 rated. That isn't too bad, but EA, come on, you guys can do better than this. 18 packs. I'm looking to pack a bunch of elites. I spent a lot of coins actually. It took me a while. It took me a day to save up all those coins, but I had to do a lot. Alright, higher. Alright, we're going higher. So it's going good. We're getting higher in players. Alright. Next pack, guys. We're just gonna fly straight through these packs. And so yeah, we're just gonna fly straight through the packs. How do you do that? Well, if you don't understand how you fly straight through the packs, I'll break it down simple. We're just gonna open them non-stop until they're all gone.
Bruh.
Alright, guys, we're gonna reveal all, and we did drop 73 rating. Alright, we're gonna open the next pack. As I said, we're gonna just fly right through these bad boys. Come on, EA. Elite. Oh, okay. Alright. We do still have 13 of them left. So let's keep opening, guys. Let's keep opening. Maybe we'll get lucky. Ahead. Come on, EA. Oh my days, we're dropping again. 72 rated. I don't need you. You don't even fit in my club. I think what I'm gonna do is just sell these players, and then later on during the week, you know what, now that I'm using my trading method and all of that, you know, maybe I can be doing packs opening more, like, you know, I don't know the words, but maybe I can do it more often. There we go. Open like packs more often, like twice a week, or yeah. So let me know about that, what you think about that. Yeah, so open more pack more often. Yeah, so right now, you know, I'm not so sure, because EA is just killing me, man. They're not giving me any packs. They're not packs, but they're not giving me any elites or any good player that I can really scream about. Look at this. 71 rate. Ooh, okay. 78 rated. That's some coins back if he goes for 10k and higher, or at least 20k. That is not even half the coins back, but still, that is that is almost a 35k right there. So I'll check his price later, probably after the video. Yeah, so let's just keep opening these packs. Come on, EA. Rush hour. Come on, EA. Right, left, middle. Oh my, we get ship. More like shit. Get ship. Why is your name SHIPP? You know what, just moving on to the next pack. We're getting a lot of these MLS players. So after this pack opening, we're gonna go over there and just complete some MLS, because we're getting a lot of these players to complete. Let's go. We get Ings. I am gonna use that card. Heard he's pretty good, pretty fast. Yeah, pretty good center for. He's 74 rated though, so that's kind of. Alright, guys, we're gonna review, and we get a 63 rated goalkeeper. 3 packs remaining, and EA has not given us a single elite. Not a single elite. How bad is my pack look? Look at this, 56, 55 rated players. Oh my god. This is insane. Come on, EA. Review all. 2 gold in the pack, but they're very shitty gold. What am I supposed to do with those? Alright guys, final pack. Come on, EA, redeem yourself. Redeem yourself. 76, that's from everything that's been going on, that's not bad. Yeah, from other shit players EA is giving me, that's not bad. Alright guys, we're just gonna head right over to our plans, and as you can see, the MLS, I've already put in 3 players, just need 2 more. There we go. We're gonna claim this gold player. Please, 76 or higher. 76 or higher. 76. Yes, 77. Oh, yes, 77. I'll just add these here just in case we get one more. And alright, I'm keeping Johnson, so we only have 2, and I'm not putting those in yet. Alright guys, what we're gonna do now is jump into one game. Gonna jump into a game here against just this random dude. You know, like, we're just gonna jump into a game. And guys, the video for the gameplay is kind of laggy. EA, they don't like me, bro. I don't know why. But the video is kind of, just watch. Look how slow he's moving. Oh, I'm just playing. Look how slow he's moving. This is how I had to play the game the entire time. So at this point of the video, if that's all you guys wanted to see, you can stop the video right now. Yeah, to that pass. But if you guys want to watch this very slow, I was gonna speed it up, but I was like, nah, let's see. Let's see who all wants to watch this very slowly, as much as I was annoyed playing very slowly. So if you are far enough to this point of this video and you want to watch this, thanks for being this far in the video, first of all. And yeah, he just missed that. And if you are new to the channel again, please like if you enjoy this, subscribe if you want more, and yeah guys, enjoy the gameplay. Bye, gonna HD out.